This is the goat. So they are growing gradually. So these are the goats. They are really growing faster and faster. The water is free. They're getting more food to eat. So they are really growing fast. This is one of our female sheep. So this is the remaining blacks. This is our female sheep. The sheep they know the whole farm. So when the black female will beat the remaining black, they will start cleaning up the area. Going up towards the good house. But this is you see all of them. So this is a good house. Pillows. So this is the good house. I know that this is the first set of rabbit. As you can see, they are eating grass. They are eating grass. If you really eat the grass. And the child is in a green house. The greenhouse plant is not still grow yet. But enough to grow, but it's fresh yet. So I where I can put down for them to eat. So you see them eating the rest before the evening hour, all the rest will finish. They bring me a Tony Lack. Hello, Dad. This is our first set of rabbit. See the green, fresh green. Fresh water. Our first set of rabbit. See, they are all growing up now. A few people next month, all the female rabbit will start getting pregnant. And the yellow growing fast. Both the female and the male, everything is growing faster. See ya. The water. If it drinks the water, for now to even tell the water go down, I will change it and then put a new one. So this is it. This is the first one I hatch. This is the turkeys behind here. See, all the turkeys are all getting big. So this is the first one. Hello, Daddy. This is our second dog. Female dog has 7.
Because you said you get children.
That guy's strong with it, like. Anybody else that guy can say Uncle Sasko.
Against that man, where I know him from.
Anything I can say Uncle Sasko.
Okay. I know, bossman, you can see the thing here. Okay, so yeah, I think so we finish get manpower. So Papa yeah. I said that coming to today to charge, maybe you can start. So the only thing me my dad talking Jana, we say the casting here, we need to do the balance flow. We need to do the balance flow here. We sell the machine in the corner over there. We'll get enough, yeah, we'll get enough space. If we sell the cement, we'll put on one side, and the plant we can carry outside. All the yama thing, we'll put it outside, everything. All the thing, we'll pack it together one place, and we'll get enough stay, yeah, enough play here. Before the people start cutting the grass, before we finish casting the player. So we need to see the player. The thing is plenty here, so we need to cast in the balance flow. Yeah. We get enough manpower here. The manpower here, you can do that work quick. So I know you can see that this city down here. Yeah. So for we don't see the pump. The pump I think about coming today. Yeah. But the pump here, I don't know where play Adiba Poli. Yeah, more Latine. So Adiba coming tomorrow. Yeah. So yeah, I think so. I'll be on Wednesday. I'll carry the pump on Wednesday. We'll do everything. Yeah, so
The coming weekend, first Sunday, I will be going down.
yeah. Okay.
This coming weekend, first Sunday, so I will be going down. Also, by Friday, I will be going down.
Okay. And you see the thing there? There's plenty here. We need to pack it one place. The wrapping, some wrapping. Yeah. Yeah. We need to get some place. We pack it one side. You see? All the thing we need to cast in the balance flow. As is the two missing. We can set it around here. We get enough space here. Plenty. So if we set the player the missing and coming so, and then we can follow the other one so we get enough play. So the cement part will put it one side. Yes. The planet part will put it outside. Yes. So it's what to look at it. If we say we can start out where they feed it, we can start it quick. Yes. And the men start cutting the grass. We can say we start casting the player quick. Okay. So like that. Thank you.